Okay, so we're on the next day. It's Tuesday afternoon, so we'll start on the receiver. So first of all, we'll set the signal generator to 27.79125 for channel 20 receive. Right, switch the power supply on, 13.8 volts, current limited to 1.6 amp. And plug in the test equipment to the loudspeaker jack. See what we've got on the SINAD meter. We have got very, very good 0.27 microvolts. Yes, that's impressive. Right, so we'll start by making sure that we've got the detector set. Just go to the oscilloscope, wherever that is. There it is. We'll just set the detector coil or the demodulator, call it what you like. Yeah, that's spot on. Right, we'll go through the front end. Yep, no adjustment needed there. No doubt the supplying dealer's done all this. A bit more signal for this one. Change tools, a bit more for this one. The hidden one. No, that's it, it's spot on. 0.27 microvolts. So we'll look at what the S meter says. We'll go to 100 microvolts, so it's an S9 equivalent. I'll put this on the attenuator, wherever that is. There it, no. Alright. So we've got 100 microvolts there. And we've got spot on S9. So he's got that set right, and it would be the adjustment there had it needed adjusting, which it doesn't. Now squelch. Obviously he's been struggling with this. So we'll turn the squelch to full. And I want it to open as 100 microvolts. 1, 3, 10, 30, 100. Spot on. Absolutely spot on. If we hadn't got it spot on, it's the adjustment there. So now we'll do the opposite. Switch the signal generator to standby, having parked it at 0.3 of a microvolt. And now we'll turn the squelch down and set the threshold. I now want to see at what point the signal generator comes in. So switch it back on, remembering it's parked at 0.3 of a microvolt. So it's coming in at 0.58 of a microvolt. It's leaving it 0.52. Excellent. This is a real good performer. I bet you don't get the bigger speaker on these like you do on... No, you don't. I think that's a Maxon speaker, to be honest. There you go. But it is only the 3-inch one and not the 3.5. Well, that was a very quick part 2, but you know, that was how it had to be. We had to end it then. Switch the test gear off. Save some electricity. Take. Did I have picture-in-picture on? Surely not. Don't say I didn't do that. Oh, I know what he wants me to do before we put the lid on it. He wants me to check the spectrum analyzer. So just pause the video. Okay, and this time we've remembered to put picture in picture on. So we're on 2779.125 in the centre. There we have the centre. It's just... I actually put 55 in as a 55, 27, 20, 56 in program 56. Frequency 56 megs. I can't see anything there. Let's look at 110. Frequency 110. No, we sometimes get it around aircraft. No, it's very good. I wasn't prepared to test it as it was presented, where it hadn't been set properly. But the way that is, it's spot on. So good. So once again, we'll switch off the test equipment. And we'll button this setup and put it on the aerial. Right, we'll switch picture in picture back off. I'll try and keep it off its bottom because I've got the power lead crocodile clipped in, haven't I? I'll have a look at his notes as well before sending it back, but I think that's more than what he asked to do. Oh, I need to plug it into the aerial. It's a Wally. No doubt it will be listening to the Nottingham Burner Brigade when we get there. One on a Roger. You see, PA works. Testing 1, 2. 1. It certainly does. You can find out where it is. There we are. Good. 1 on a Roger. You have no chance, Mr. 21. Right, we'll put that on the bench cookie for later. We're doing on the air test with Mr. Chippy. Now, as I said earlier in the video when I was recording yesterday, I no longer have got Mrs. X Nurse to do shopping for on a Wednesday, every other Wednesday morning. So every other Wednesday morning we'll be doing a CB radio instead to use that time up productively. So tomorrow would be the first day that I would normally be doing hers. So tomorrow we will start the next box of sets, and I think the first one out of the box is a Grandstand Gemini. Quite a complicated set to align because you've got a separate receive and transmit mixer crystal arrangement. It's difficult to get the receive right unless you've got a second signal generator or a marker oscillator. So that's what we'll be doing tomorrow, and this has worked out very well. The Sapphire X4000 and the Barracudas usually work exceptionally well, and this is definitely fitting in with that. It's just a shame they don't have the bigger speaker like you got in the Binatone 5-star or the Harbour 420M. So we'll do it on the air test, and thanks for watching the Sapphire X4000 from 1981.